Hello friends, I am NKJN from skillontech.com. Today I am presenting a video about on-off wall and their selection criteria in industrial application. Video is interesting for education purpose. Please see the complete video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel on your right side of subscribed link of video to encourage me to prepare more videos related to engineering education. As we know, the walls are used in industries. So let us know what is function of wall. To start and stop flow, to regulate and throttle flow, to regulate pressure, to relieve excessive pressure. On off wall. Here you can see on off wall. A picture is given of a ball wall. A wall is a device to control the flow of fluid. The shown wall is a ball wall and on off by 90-degree turn off handle. The picture itself shows how flow is going on. The wall body is shown wall on off by 90-degree turn off handle. Only a quarter turn rotation is required for on off this ball wall. Selection criteria of on-off wall. On-off wall must have low resistance to flow. There must be a low pressure drop across the disc or plug. There shall be a straight through flow configuration and they shall facilitate line clearing. The path of the flow should be cleared. There shall be a bidirectional sealing of the wall. Both sides of the flow there shall be a tight sealing. So this provide good shut off when the flow or pressure differential is from either direction. So we can see this in the given pictures. Examples on off wall, industrial wall. We know gate wall, ball wall, butterfly wall, plug wall, diaphragm wall are the best suitable on-off wall used in industries. The most common types of on-off wall include gate wall, that may be a wedge, parallel slide, parallel expanding, ball walls, floating ball, metal, oblique soft sheets, butterfly walls, double or triple offset, rubber lined walls, plug walls. The plug walls may be a lubricated, balanced, sleeved, or lined. Diaphragm walls, full wear, full flow, pinch type diaphragm. As we can see in this slide, gate wall, that may be a solid wedge, parallel slide or parallel expanding. The wedge gate walls are used for water, air, nitrogen and low pressure steam service. However, parallel slide gate walls are suitable for steam and process flow requirements for tight sealing and easy operation by less efforts. The parallel expanding gate walls have additional ways to expand gate for tight sealing against seat. They are also need less efforts to operate. We can see in this picture, the first picture is for solid wedge gate wall. Second picture is for gate wall parallel slide. In the parallel slide gate wall, the disc slide parallelly across the seat. So it need very less efforts for operation. In a parallel expanding gate wall, there is a wedge provision for expanding the gate for tight sealing across the seats. So these parallel expanding gate walls are provide very much tight sealing across the seat. These walls are mostly used in process industries, in hazardous chemicals. Next, ball walls. There may be a floating ball, metal or soft seats. Ball walls may have metal to metal seat or a soft seat. The ball walls are used for on-off service and used for air, water and process service. The shaft is connected at the top of the ball and allow the switch from an open to a closed position with quarter turn movement 90-degree. The ball is seated in a body with metal to metal contact or soft seat such as Teflon. The Teflon is widely used For soft sealing of the wall. The walls are widely used for vent and drain service for quick operation. Here we can see plug wall. Plug wall may be a lubricated, balanced, sleeved, lined. The picture itself shows how a Teflon sleeve lined wall and how a standard plug wall design, which is a lubricated, can work. The plug walls are similar to ball wall except metallic plug used in place of ball. The shaft is connected at top of the plug and allow the switch from an open to a closed position with a quarter turn movement 90 degree. The plug is seated in a body with metal to metal contact or soft seats such as Teflon. The walls are widely used for vent and drain service for quick operation. These walls are very widely used for air, water and process service. Here we can see butterfly wall, double offset, triple offset butterfly wall. Butterfly walls are used for high flows. Butterfly wall are similar to ball wall for quick on off. They are made in size from 1 inch NB to 48 inch NB. The material used for construction is cast iron, cast steel, stainless steel and aluminum. Two offsets are placed from the center while the third is on the seating surface which create a cone type shape of the disc and seat. These walls are used mostly in application where a tight bubble shutoff is required. Simple butterfly wall used where no tight sealing is required and used only for air and water service. But for process service or where tight sealing is required, two offset or triple offset butterfly walls are used. Where high temperature service or hard sealing surfaces are required with zero leakage, soft seat or rated leakage metal seat. The walls in large size are equipped with gear actuators. Now we can see diaphragm wall. This may be a wear, full flow, pinch type. The picture itself shows you the idea of diaphragm wall construction. The diaphragm walls are widely used in water, acid and alkali services due to corrosive nature of chemical. The wall provide tight sealing, hence used for vacuum service also. A rubber diaphragm is used of various rubbers based on application suitability. So in the market various rubber diaphragms are available suitable to application. So we shall use while selecting a diaphragm wall. A diaphragm is a very critical spare of the wall. The diaphragm selection should be based on application of the service. Application and cross criteria while selecting wall. First, required function. Second, service conditions. Third, fluid type and condition. Fourth, fluid characteristics. Fifth, frequency of operation. Sixth, isolation requirements. Seven, maintenance requirements. Eighth, environmental considerations. Ninth, past experience in comparable conditions. 10th, weight and size. 11th, cost. So this is all about the on-off wall and their selections. Thanking you.